25th, 2021. Maybe I got a call from a new customer, I believe. He needs a dishwasher replaced. Take the old one out, put a new one in. So I wanted to know if I could do it for him. I told him, yeah, time and material. A lot of people want a price. It's like, I don't know what I'm going to need, what it's going to take to get it in there properly. I mean, it's all done time and material on that. I don't got no set price on a dishwasher replacement unless they want it really high. That's usually what I do, because you got to straighten them out, you got to level them all off to get them in there properly and get them in there snug, and it's not always easy. Sometimes you got to cut in shut-off valves, and I mean, they're all different. Then he wants me to get rid of the old one. I got to take a trip to the dump, so I mean, it all adds up with the time ratio. So I don't know if I'll be able to get some video on this. Maybe we'll have to see. It's kind of hard. You're laying on the floor, crawling around, trying to get this thing disconnected, but we'll try. Try our best. Miss Morley playing Catch Me If You Can again this morning. I guess that's a new thing now. In the morning, Catch Me If You Can. Try to get you some shots. The dishwasher. We'll just double check it, but yeah, okay. And then that's it there. It's starting to get nice weather.
Yes.
You got a shut off here, which is good. Just want to make sure that the electrical's off, right? You got it all emptied out? Well, that's nice. You'd be surprised, you come to these jobs a lot of times they're not even emptied out.
Oh, you're kidding.
No. To come work on their sink, and you go there, and I mean the thing's completely loaded underneath, you know.
Oh my gosh, I don't know what they think.
It makes life interesting. See if the towels are off. It should be off. What kind of dishwasher did you get?
Samsung.
Okay. All right. Power's off. Well, I'm good. I'll get my cart and take it out. I've been working alone for 38 years.
All right.
You as you get older, sometimes you need that stuff, you know?
Yeah. True.
Yeah, it's off. Up it on the cart. Wheel it right out of there. Thing's stinking like crazy. Hasn't worked since Thanksgiving. Gotta be careful about the water coming out of it. They stink like crazy. He's a stinker. Water connections in the back here. I don't like that. And then electrical. So go through this slot here. I have to take that water line out. This new flexible one. I might have to jack it up a little bit to get it in there. I'm gonna make that hole in the corner bigger. As it was coming up top before, it's gonna come in there. $34 3/4 here. Yeah. 34 3/4, I guess. I don't like the water connection in the back. I don't like that. That's where electrical's gonna come. Right here. Turn the water on and check it before I push it in. Kind of a queer setup. It don't seem to be leaking. Kind of a bad design to have it back there like that. Hello? Where's the boss? shouldn't be an issue. Hottest part of the dishwasher is setting it where it needs to be. Making it right. So I gotta go down a little bit. Make it so it's good. See that edge? You want that nice and flush. That's how you have to adjust the legs. A little bit of adjustment. I want that flush like that. And then I could cut these and screw it in. Be careful, don't go too high because you'll scratch it with the screws, right? They don't give you much clearance. I might have to drop the legs down a little bit. I don't want it scratching. They don't give you much clearance. What a bitch. Alright, that's in. No, but the mice is a common thing under a dishwasher.
Oh, really? No kidding.
Yeah, well, they get in. Sometimes they get in the house and they don't come out at night till night time.
Yep.
And you don't even know they're there, but they're eating the dog food and, you know. They're eating the dog food and, you know, they're hiding underneath the dishwasher. You don't know they're there. Until you start seeing the little pooping mans. Start seeing the little poops around, then you get well, something's going on, right?
Yep, that's about the only way you can tell, I guess.
Yeah, usually like under the sink, or they like to hang out on top of the dishwasher. I don't know, maybe because it's warm.
Warm, probably, huh?
Yeah. Half-inch copper. Seven, 8 holes. They can't squish down because there's copper on there. goes out another leak. I can't squish now, there's a piece of pipe in there. So I don't know if you can see, but I went all the way up the top there with a piece of solder, attached it. Came down 7/8, 5/8.
They all sing now, huh? With the washer and dryer.
Say that again?
They all sing to you. All their tunes.
Alright, I just left that job. Them dishwashers are all different. Sometimes you go in and out of there and bang them out, you know, in an hour. Sometimes they take longer. Sometimes they want you to get rid of the old dishwasher, so I do them all time and material. That one come out to like $280 for everything. I mean, it was kind of a hard one to do. So I had to pull it in and out and readjust it and everything. It takes time to do them right, so not cheap. Everybody wants you to tell them, oh, it's going to be $75 to replace it. It's like, that ain't how it works. Every one of them's different. Sometimes you got to do different things to them. This one I had to drill new holes because the other hole was up on top for the drain. It wouldn't work. I mean, it all adds up, right? I had to run the new water line. I don't like the water line in the back. That was kind of funky. Water was stinking coming out of that drain. It's like, holy shit. It was a stinker, Molly. Oh yeah, it was a stinker. It was a smelly one. We don't like the smelly ones. Oh man, we don't want no smelly one. Shit, no. We don't want no smelly one in the truck, man. That ain't gonna happen. We don't want no stinker. No, man, no way.